Today we are making
keto brownies. All right, we're gonna show you guys what you need for this recipe. We have butter. This is the only butter we had left, but normally you would use stick butter. We have SWERVE. This is our sugar replacement. You can use any sugar replacement you have. We are going to use some melted Lily's unsweetened chocolate chips. We have our vanilla extract. Go ahead, Lo, take it away.
We have salt. We have coconut flour. We have cocoa powder. We have baking powder.
Yes, girl.
We have walnuts.
Yes, because we love walnuts in our brownies. You don't have to use them, okay? Alrighty, so you're going to start off by putting a little bit more than half a cup of butter, melted butter, we already dumped it in there, into a bowl with 1 cup of your SWERVE sweetener, okay? I'm just dumping the rest, we already dumped that. And then you're going to do your 2 tablespoons. Lo, where's our tablespoon thing? Can you hold this? Yeah. Not 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of, yes, vanilla extract. So, oh no, Lo, that's the wrong measurement thing.
Sorry guys, mistake.
Yeah, so we gotta put this, hold on, because we need this teaspoon thing. You know what, we're just going to do it. All right, so you're gonna put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. No, it's okay, Lo, we don't need that. Into our mix, and then you're going to crack 2 eggs into that.
The eggs are sleeping.
All right, you need help? Here.
I'll do that.
So, no, crack it here on the counter. There you go. So crack 2 eggs into your bowl. All right, Lo, you got it? Put it above the bowl. That's okay. There you go. Put it above the bowl, and then you just kind of, yes, there we go. Okay. Okay, so in that bowl, we have our butter, our sweetener, our vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. And you're going to use, we're using our electric hand mixer to beat this. Yeah, we're going to go over there and do it. To beat this for 1 minute. You can use a regular whisk if you want, but we're going to use the hand mixer, okay? And we'll be right back. Now, we're going to add that mixture that we just beat with our electric mixer into our big bowl. You want to pour it? Okay, hold that and then just dump it on in there.
The eggs just woke up.
Lola!
See, they're going in.
Come on, girl. We got vegans watching this.
I told everybody.
Chill out, bro. All right, that's it.
They're in the big bowl now.
Okay, Lola, that's good. Okay, so now that we have that in there, we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients.
Now we're adding half a cup of unsweetened chocolate chips.
Now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, or if you're using almond flour, use 4 tablespoons of almond flour.
Then add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder.
Now you're going to add half a tablespoon of salt. And now we just mix it all up. Whisk it good.
Whisk it real good.
And remember the most important thing, always have fun.
You know this is going on YouTube, right?
Yep, oh well.
Now add the walnuts and mix.
These are definitely optional, but we love them. We're going to transfer our batter into our Purex glass. I don't have a square one, so we're going to use this circle one and spray it with our pan baking spray. And yes, this is keto friendly.
Keto got that
yummy,
yum,
that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. We just couldn't resist, guys.
Now top it with some chopped walnuts.
Now that we have our brownie mixture topped with our almonds in our Purex glass, what are we gonna do, Lo?
We're gonna put it in the, we're gonna bake it for 350 degrees.
At 350 degrees.
At 350 degrees.
For how long?
For 30 minutes.
Yes, thanks girl. Okay, so let's just get it in the oven.
She is serving you chocolatey deliciousness. Can you guys believe it? This is keto, y'all. Keto.
How is it?
It tastes so good. Really good. Parents, try this. Your kids will love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
Bye, keto fam.